Welcome to SMSlenz, the simplest way to send SMS campaigns with just a few clicks. To begin, head over to your dashboard and click on the Send SMS button. This will open the new campaign area. There are just two fields you must fill out. 1. Sender ID mask. This is the name or ID your recipients will see. 2. Message content. Type the SMS message you want to send. Below the message box, you'll see a live character count and page count to help you manage message length. Want to organize your campaigns? You can also add a campaign title. It's optional but helpful for tracking. By default, messages are sent immediately, but if you'd like to schedule your campaign, just uncheck Send Now and choose your preferred date and time. You can send your SMS to Saved Contacts, Contact Groups, or manually enter numbers one by one. Once everything looks good, hit Submit, and you're done. That's how easy it is to send an SMS campaign using SMSlenz. Simple, fast, effective. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using SMSlenz.